Hi, welcome to Gigglepin Winches and welcome to a world of two-speed winching. If you've got a GP50, GP25 or the big gun, the twin motor GP100, you can now have these. These are two-speed gear sets that fit directly into your winch, giving you two-speed capability. Or if you have a worn 8274, 8074 or even an earlier Gigglepin GP80, you can have one of these pre-installed two-speed top housings. This is the twin motor and this is the single motor version, all installed with two-speed loveliness. But if you want a winch that already has two-speed, you can have the GP50, the GP25 or the big boy, the GP100, pre-installed with two-speed. Now, two-speed gives you power, speed, and control. Available with 5 low ratio gears and 6 high ratio gears, it really is a two-speed to suit everyone's application. Using a simple toggle switch to activate and to deactivate, it really is the easiest upgrade you'll ever have for your winch. Hop on down to gigglepinwinches.com and find out even more about the new two-speed family. See you soon.